You don't
Yeah,
want
you don't
any
want to go.
liquid squirting in our
Yeah.
eyes.
All condoms come with a jagged edge. You want to find the condom, pull it to the side, and tear down. Okay? You do not want to use your teeth like Pere talked about in theirs because you could rip the condom. Now, something we do as well is we find if it's a beanie or bottle. This is not sliding down, so we call this a bottle. We want to flip it over so it rolls. 2 fingers at the top rolling down because it's not supposed to look nice and tight on the penis. It needs to have a bit of space at the top so that the ejaculation can go in. Mahia te mahi. When you're finished, pull out, turn away, remove, tie up, and throw it in the bin, not the whareita.
Important information to turn away when you pull off. You don't
Yeah,
want
you don't
any
want to go.
liquid squirting in our eyes
Yeah,
or something.
or back into the tara that you were trying to keep it from.
Just